Let's face it, the drone sound is one of the things that makes the bagpipes so unique, but their tuning and steadiness can also be one of our biggest headaches and sources of frustration. Today's Black Friday week daily flash deal is all about solving that. There's nothing better than the moment your drones lock in perfectly, creating that rich, full, room-filling sound. But when they're not settled, when they wander out of tune or they take too much air, it ruins your practice or performance. These days, we have some great options for drone reads. And these days, a great drone sound is achievable and should not be a struggle. That's why Easy Drones have been the world's best-selling drone reads for a long time.